They once faced each other across battlefields, from the Revolution to the War of 1812. Yet over 2 centuries, Britain and America transformed rivalry into one of the strongest alliances in the modern world. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting true history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. After the Revolutionary War ended in 1783, the United States and Britain were independent, but not friendly. Distrust and resentment lingered. Britain still controlled forts in the West, challenged American trade, and impressed U.S. sailors, keeping tensions dangerously high. In 1812, the U.S. declared war on Britain, fighting over trade, sovereignty, and national honor in a second war for independence. The war ended in a draw, but Britain stopped impressment, and America proved it could defend itself as a nation. Through the 1800s, trade expanded, borders stabilized, and diplomacy replaced war, especially between the US and British Canada. In the 20th century, former enemies became allies, fighting together in World War I and World War II against global threats. The US and Britain built a special relationship, sharing intelligence, military cooperation, and democratic values. Once bitter enemies, America and Britain became enduring allies, proof that history can transform rivalry into partnership.